Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you best tools to clean up junk files on Windows. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. AVG TuneUp. AVG TuneUp is a perfect tool that can speed up your PC by removing all junk from your system. The tool comes with modern technology and has an intelligent user interface. This AVG TuneUp is recommended by the users as it helps to clean up temporary files. This tool will help to keep your PC fast by removing all the junk files. AVG TuneUp also has turbo mode that turns off unnecessary features automatically to release more power. Features of AVG TuneUp: clean your registry, update your programs automatically, optimize your PC in sleep mode, remove bloatware and junk programs, supports multiple languages, 30-day money-back guarantee. Pricing. These are the prices of AVG TuneUp. Number 2. CCleaner. CCleaner is among the best tools to remove or completely delete junk files from your PC. So it is recommended to have this software to clean junk files in Windows. If you need support and more features like file recovery and defragmentation, you need to purchase the Pro version. Features of CCleaner: easy to use, protect your privacy, delete junk files completely. Pricing. CCleaner is available in 4 versions, such as Free, Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. These are the prices all 4 versions. Number 3. WiseCare 365. WiseCare 365 is a premium tool that deletes unnecessary files that are on your hard disk to free up disk space. It also provides many custom options to allow advanced users to clean up more files they don't need. Equipped with advanced algorithms, it can scan and remove them within seconds, making it one of the most efficient disk cleaners out there in the market. It also cleans internet history, cache files, and cookies of all the web browsers. The best thing about this software is, it comes with a lifetime license. If you buy a 3 PC license, you will get more discount. Features of WiseCare 365: one-click PC checkup, clean and speed up computer, hardware inventory, privacy protection, real-time system scan, auto updates, premium tech updates, 60-day money-back guarantee. Pricing. WiseCare 365 is available in free and pro versions. The pricing of the pro version is $29.96. Number 4. File Cleaner. File Cleaner is a multi-purpose tool to remove the internet and all application history tracks from your computer. Using it regularly helps you to keep your surfing safe, so no one can track your work. It automatically fixes and deletes system junk and PC errors, and protects your privacy. It intelligently repairs invalid settings, helps you uninstall malware software and cleans your PC to optimize the performance. File Cleaner can make a fast, stable, and secure computer that's kept in good shape in real time. Features of File Cleaner: automatic PC cleanup, fix Windows issues, delete browser toolbars, uninstall any program, file shredder, manage your files. Pricing. The pricing of File Cleaner is as displaying on screen. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.